A useful technique for the unique formula is to couple it up with the data validation. How we do this is we use the output of the unique formula, which is what we have here, as the list for our data validation. So we do this by, down here I want to create a drop down menu for the various salespeople for each cell. So for all of these cells I'm going to create a drop down. I'm going to select those cells. I'm going to select the data validation and data tools. I'm going to create a list, and I'm going to pick only the cell that actually has the unique formula in. So even though we see here that this salespeople data runs down to C14, I'm only going to select C11 because that's the formula that actually has the unique formula in it. The rest is the spill down of the formula. So I'm just going to select C11, and I want to tell the data validation that this is a dynamic formula, and I want to recognize that it's a dynamic formula. So I'm going to press the number symbol at the end, and this will create a data validation based on the output of the unique formula. Now, the benefit of this is, should my list here be updated, so say one of the Raymond Galligan inputs is changed to Mixmit, you can see my unique formula has automatically updated, but also my data validation is automatically updated. So that's quite a useful tool when